In this instructional video, we will go over the steps to replace a transfer belt. Step 1. Power the printer off by holding the main power button. Step 2. Carefully open the bypass door completely. Do not let the door fall open. Step 3. Open the transfer assembly. Do not let the transfer assembly fall open. Step 4. Open the front door. Release the ITB contact lever. Release the belt lock and open the cover. Step 5. Grab the center handle and remove the belt halfway from the printer. Step 6. Use the lift handles to remove the belt from the printer. Step 7. Install the new transfer belt. Lock the belt into place. Lock the ITB contact lever. Close the front panel. Step 8. Close the transfer assembly. Close the bypass door.